After a glimpse at the statue of the originator of the sport of rugby, I said goodbye for now to England and my traveling companion Marie, and caught the train to the Birmingham airport. A sticky substance spilled in the baggage compartment, which turned out to be honey, caused a 1-hour delay in my flight to Amsterdam, where I was to spend 3 nights with my late bloomer fan and host, Becky Ezra. The flat landscape of the Netherlands awaited me as I sipped my tea over the North Sea. A near miss with Becky at Schiphol Airport could have been disastrous, but after downing my first Dutch meal of smoked salmon on toast and salad, we connected and headed to Driebergen, an hour outside of Amsterdam, where Becky lives. As time was short and the light much better on her garden in the afternoon, I went right out to filming Becky's compact backyard garden while she prepared our dinner. Densely planted with perennials and annuals, Becky's garden is a combination of tall raised beds, which are easier on the back, and plenty of containers, with berries and flowers planted in the ground. I was surprised to find the same purple flowers I featured in my California Desert Super Bloom episode of Late Bloomer. Every bed is stuffed with flowers and vegetables or berries. She also has a chicken coop at the back. As well as a rainwater catchment system off the roof of her chicken coop. Grapevines grow on the chicken wire. Compost is collected at the back of the garden. Every inch is thawed out and utilized. And while I was there, she was planning to build a pond in this space. Becky ingeniously uses mirrors to reflect more light into the long and narrow garden. Her back porch is enclosed with chicken wire to protect her cats. She has a little bit of everything. She's even got fruit trees. She fills reusable bottles with rainwater with time-release caps for her containers.
Beautiful.
We enjoyed her 3 ripe tomatoes in our salad, and I planned my trip to a community garden the next day.